Rexmore Electrical has been around since 1922. It's fourth generation owned and operated company. We do electrical contracting, we do engineering, and we do service. Before we had Microsoft Dynamics and Adeaca PBA, we were using a multitude of solutions. I think integration of the processes was one of our end goals. That's where we wanted to be, is to integrate all of our processes into the system. When we saw Dynamics and Adeaca as one solution. In the grand scheme of things, it makes the overall organization more effective to have it in one place. Some of the biggest beneficiaries from Adeaca, I would say it's our executive team. The ability to get information that they need at the push of a button. So we're able to make business decisions based on true data, live data, as opposed to data that's weeks old, months old, and who knows if it's accurate or not. Well, there's definitely been cost savings with implementing this new system, both AX and Adeaca. They've primarily been around the reduction of software costs. So when you have 15 different software packages, right, there's a cost that's associated with that. So being able to eliminate those is a hard cost that we were able to recognize. We saw savings when it came to human resource aspect. We had people doing activities that were necessary, but they weren't really adding value to the process. With the implementation of AX and Adeaca, there's much more collaboration between the different departments, and I would say it's much more effective because we're speaking the same language. The frequency of interaction and the efficiency and the quality of that interaction has dramatically increased. We work in construction industry, so there's always change that happens along the way. We're able to take snapshots and baselines to see kind of, as the schedule changes, what does that do to our resource loading? Are we getting peaks? Are we getting valleys? And we can use that information and present it to our customer to say, here's what we see coming down the road. We have an opportunity to fix this before it becomes a problem. So we're able to be more proactive with our resource requirements and changes that may happen. I've always been very impressed with the product that Adeaca puts together. I think it was the best decision that we made.